Hi guys, Senji Pie here again with another unboxing video for you guys. Today we've got two new Blu-ray releases that I want to show you guys, and they are the Wonka and Migration, the new animated film from Universal. Uh, these two are Uh, these two are now out in stores on Blu-ray, 4K, and DVD. And if you guys want to get them, you can get them because they're now out in stores. And these are both rated PG. And time to do an unboxing video for these two. So let's start with Wonka. So let's do it. So Wonka, the movie's about, the movie is a story of how Willy became Wonka, and the movie stars Timothy Chalamet, and he plays the main character, Willy Wonka, right there. And the cover of it looks really cool, because it looks like the poster. We have the Oompa Loompa. Does anyone know the name of the Oompa Loompa? And we have that girl. I don't remember the name of her. And then, there's candy everywhere. It's like a chocolate factory. So, let's see. We have Discover How Willy Became Wonka. And have special features on there. And Wonka tells the wondrous story of how a young dreamer named Willy Wonka becomes the world's greatest inventor, magician, and chocolate maker. Special features have Unwrapping Wonka, Paul Kane's Vision, The Whimsical Music of Wonka, Welcome to Wonka Land, Hats Off to Wonka, and Wonka's Chocolatier. Cool. Now, let's... So, and the movie is also based off a Roald Dahl book, and there was also two Willy Wonka movies, of Willy Wonka and Charlie. But this movie is in winter, and when the movie is. Anyways, let's do this. So, okay, down easy. Cool. So how do you do this? The ribbon, there we go. Good. So, did. Anyways, go. Okay. So, all we have is a Blu-ray disc. Oh, and the Blu-ray disc is purple. Oh, cool. And it says Wonka. It's pretty cool. It looks cool. So, so that was Wonka. And now let's do Migration now. So, let me tell you guys about the movie Migration. So, the movie's about a group of ducks. They want to go on vacation somewhere called Jamaica, but then all of a sudden they migrate, then they get lost in the world, and they have to find a way to get to Jamaica. But the family is the Mallards. Cool. And the cover of the Blu-ray looks really good. Has a lot of ducks on there, and includes 3 all-new mini-movies. Collector's edition. Cool. Now, have over 60 minutes of bonus content with bonus features and 3 mini-movies. They are Fly Hard, Mooned, and Midnight Mission. Oh, I remember the Moon. Is before the movie started in theaters, there was that new short called Mooned. Plus, Meet the Cast, Microphone Madness, Taking Flight, The Making of The Sound of Flight, How to Draw, and more. Oh, that's cool. Now, let's do this. Now, let's do this. So, very cool. Cool. Now, very cool. Now, okay. Now let's look at the discs. The Blu-ray disc. The Blu-ray disc is orange and it's silver. And the DVD disc is orange. Oh, cool. That's cool. Well, so hope you guys enjoyed my Blu-ray unboxing of Wonka and Migration. Hope you guys liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on the notifications, and tell me in the comment section below, did you see these movies in theaters, or do you want to get them on Blu-ray or 4K or DVD? But thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.